Welcome back to Fact Fusion. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and heartbreaking: recently extinct animals. We often hear about animals that went extinct a long time ago, like dinosaurs and dodos. But did you know there are animals that have disappeared just recently? Stick around as we uncover the stories of 7 animals that have vanished from our planet, some even in the past few decades. Each of these creatures played a unique role in their ecosystems, and their loss reminds us of the importance of protecting our natural world. 1. Pinta Island Tortoise. Our first story is about a gentle giant from the Galapagos Islands, the Pinta Island tortoise. These tortoises were famous for their large size, with some weighing over 500 pounds, and their slow movements. Their population was decimated by whalers and settlers who hunted them for food and introduced goats to their habitat, which destroyed the vegetation these tortoises relied on. The last known Pinta Island tortoise was named Lonesome George, discovered in 1971. George became a symbol of conservation efforts, but despite attempts to find him a mate, he remained the last of his kind. George passed away in 2012, marking the extinction of his species. His story highlights the profound impact human activities can have on wildlife, emphasizing the importance of conservation. 2. Baiji dolphin. Next, we travel to the Yangtze River in China, where the Baiji dolphin once thrived. This freshwater dolphin was known for its long, narrow beak and graceful swimming. The Baiji was also called the goddess of the Yanks and was deeply embedded in Chinese culture. However, rapid industrialization and heavy boat traffic caused severe pollution, while extensive fishing practices led to accidental captures. By the 1980s, their population had plummeted. In 2006, a 6-week scientific expedition failed to find any Baiji dolphins, leading to the conclusion that they were functionally extinct. The loss of the Baiji dolphin is a tragic example of how human progress can lead to the decline of local wildlife populations, stressing the need for sustainable development practices. 3. Western black rhinoceros. Our journey continues to Africa, where the western black rhinoceros once roamed the savannas. These rhinos were known for their 2 distinct horns and rugged appearance. They were heavily poached for their horns, which are highly valued in traditional medicine and as status symbols. By the late 20th century, their numbers had drastically declined. Despite various conservation efforts, including anti-poaching measures and protected reserves, the western black rhinoceros was declared extinct in 2011. Their extinction highlights the ongoing battle against illegal wildlife trade and the urgent need for stronger protective measures for endangered species. The story of the western black rhino serves as a stark reminder of the devastating impact of poaching on vulnerable animal populations. 4. Spix's macaw. Flying over to Brazil, we find the Spix's macaw, a stunning blue parrot made famous by the animated movie Rio. This bird was native to the Brazilian forests and known for its vibrant blue feathers. Habitat loss due to deforestation, coupled with illegal pet trade, led to a sharp decline in their population. By the 1990s, only a handful remained in the wild. The last known wild Spix's macaw was seen in 2000, and the species was declared extinct in the wild. However, hope remains as breeding programs are working to reintroduce these birds into their natural habitat. This story illustrates that while extinction can be a dire outcome, dedicated conservation efforts can sometimes offer a second chance for endangered species. 5. Formosan clouded leopard. In the forests of Taiwan, the Formosan clouded leopard was a majestic predator, known for its beautiful, cloud-like spots. These cats were elusive and rarely seen, primarily inhabiting the dense forests of the island. Deforestation and hunting led to a rapid decline in their population. Extensive surveys conducted between 2000 and 2004 found no evidence of their existence, leading scientists to declare them extinct in the wild. The loss of the Formosan clouded leopard underscores the importance of preserving forest habitats to protect other endangered species from a similar fate. Their disappearance is a critical reminder of how habitat destruction can have irreversible impacts on local wildlife. 6. Pyrenean ibex. Heading to the mountains of Spain and France, the Pyrenean ibex was a type of wild goat adapted to the rugged terrain. These animals were known for their impressive climbing abilities and thick coats that protected them from harsh weather. Overhunting and competition with livestock for food led to their decline. By the year 2000, the last known Pyrenean ibex had died. In a groundbreaking scientific effort, researchers attempted to clone the species using DNA from preserved specimens. Although a cloned ibex was born in 2003, it died shortly after birth due to lung defects. This attempt at de-extinction shows the potential and challenges of using science to bring back lost species, highlighting both the promise and limitations of current technologies. Number 7. Caribbean monk seal. Our final story takes us to the warm waters of the Caribbean, where the Caribbean monk seal once swam. These seals were known for their sleek bodies and gentle nature, often seen lounging on beaches. European colonists hunted them extensively for their oil and skins. Overhunting, combined with habitat destruction and overfishing of their food sources, led to their population's collapse. The last confirmed sighting was in the 1950s, and despite efforts to find any remaining individuals, they were declared extinct in 2008. The extinction of the Caribbean monk seal is a poignant reminder of how human activities can decimate animal populations, leading to irreversible loss and the urgent need for marine conservation efforts. These stories of recently extinct animals are a stark reminder of the fragility of our natural world. Each of these species played a vital role in their ecosystems, and their loss has ripple effects that we may not fully understand yet. It's crucial that we learn from these extinctions and take action to protect the endangered species that still exist. Every small effort counts, from supporting conservation programs to reducing our ecological footprint. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fact Fusion, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.